Easy Motion is the fastest, easiest, and most cost-effective way to automate motion for R&D and manufacturing teams. Requiring absolutely no programming experience, its key advantage is the hyper-intuitive drag-and-drop software interface. Simple enough for a novice, yet powerful enough for demanding industrial tasks, you'll be running your first automated motion sequence in less than 20 minutes. Our pre-integrated industrial control boxes support electric motors, pneumatic actuators, sensors, and other field devices for a seamless plug-and-play experience. Whether you're automating R&D processes, conducting cycle testing, or developing new manufacturing workflows, Easy Motion lets you skip the low-value busy work and achieve results 10 times faster. Easy Motion, revolutionizing automation for R&D and manufacturing teams.